So let's start, dear students and viewers. This data science and big data application group B, as per the SPPU Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, practical number 1 for the third year information technology. In group B, there are 3 groups in DSBDA practicals. Group A based on the Hadoop, Group B based on the Python and Tableau, and Group C is based on small project is in Python and other data analytics tools. So this here you are having we require to do this 5 operations. That is, we have to perform the following operations in Python on Facebook matrix dataset: create data subset, merged data, and likewise. I already had this unshape or reshape the data set. Okay. So let's start with the thing. To start this, you require to import. Import pandas as PD. This is the only library that we require. Let's see whether the library is there or not. When you compile this, you actually get no error. That means it is there. I already have given name DSBDA group B1. Now, after importing this, you require to create a data frame. So let's call df as a data frame. It's equals to, you have to give this PD's function, that is pandas function feed read CSV. So we are going to read the CSV file, and here already had this CSV file store in datasets folder. So I'm just copying this path for easiness, so that you won't get any copied this path here. C users tail, that's my computer on. Okay, I just have to make this as a forward slashes instead of black bar, otherwise you may get an error. So I'm just making this datasets. Datasets is my folder. Okay, so this is my complete path. Now I'm going to enter there the name of the dataset, that is CSV file, and we are working so using this Facebook dataset. So obviously we are having this Facebook dataset here ready. I'm just adding the name of this Facebook dataset dot CSV. Now when we get this dot CSV name, this is the command. We need to display the df. So we are going to display this df. Let's see. We say that is pf df dot read dot csv documents. Okay, I just forgotten to embed all these things in a path, that is in single quote. Okay, so when we errors happens, okay, it's a human tendency. We forgot here and there. Okay, so here we got the data set, but you find these columns are semicolon. Okay, they are not displayed properly. So let's add here the delimiter. So delimiter, and I'm not adding this delimiter by my what you can say, like if you observe this here, that is a page tool likes, you have the semicolon type, semicolon category, semicolon post, semicolon month, semicolon, and likewise. So you see the delimiter, the column heads are actually separated using semicolon. So when you give this, and if you run the command, now your data set is looking different. Yeah, it's having this type, category, okay, paid, and likewise. Once you got this type, category, paid, and something, okay, you can use the df.describe so that you can get the description of the function. df.describe, which actually describes the data, describes this data set. You get the same output. Okay. You get the same output here, but what it is describing, the total count, how many count are there, total page total, like says 500, mean is 120 something, So you can even plot based on these against and likewise. So we are not using the plotting and everything. We are strictly sticking with the create data, merge data, sort data, transport, and shape and reshape. So here we are what this data created. Now we are going to create what the first thing, that is what we call as creating the subset. Okay. So first we read the CSV, we created the data frame. Now we are going to read or what you can say create the subsets of data set. So here this if you see this page total likes, category, post month, post weekday, post hour, paid, these are the uh, name of the columns. Okay. So to create the subset we need to use these things. So just call this as a subset 1, and subset 1 equals to, we have to give this df, and in this df we just have to we need to use two square bracket. Inside this bracket you have to add this column name. So I'm going to add the column name here. Let's add the column name in single quotes first as a page. Okay. Second we are going to add the category, that's column name that we are in. Again we are going to adding what you can say the paid. Okay. So paid, these are the column names that we added. This is subset 1. Let's see whether this subset is actually get created or not. So just say subset 1 and compile the code. So it says that there is some error, and that error is that subset df paid subset 1 equals to df paid pgu1. Sorry, page is not something, the page total number. So it's happened due to this error. So we remove this. Okay. We use category and paid. Okay. So we have this category, we have the paid. Now it is a page total likes, that is also complete name. So you have to give this page total likes like this. I've just given their page. So we can have this complete name here, page total likes. Control C, and you can add that also. And just some control V, we added page total likes, and given its name with single and separated by comma. Now if you compare this, let's see. Okay, we got this. Okay, so we got the page total likes, we got the category, we got the paid. This is our subset 1. Now let's go with a little bit more easier. So we are going to copy this comment, like and share. So comment, like and share, that we copied. Control C. Once this is copied, we are going to use the new command here, subset, okay, subset 2 equals to df. Okay, and control V, that we just copied. Now we just have to add single quote, and this single quote must be comma. Then you have to go with the backspace, just adding single quotes. Okay. I'm just going in a direction. Okay. So when we add this, here we are having just comment, like and type. So we got subset 2 ready. Let's check subset 2, and compile it. So we got the two subsets, subset 1 and subset 2. Okay. Now we are going to merge the data set. Okay, we created the subsets. obviously once created a subset means you also have to merge the data set. Okay, so merging of two subsets, instead of subset we can use say data set, because that is what it means. Okay, so let's call this as a new data set. New data set, that is we are going to create. Now we have to use the PD's merge. Okay, PD's merge command. In merge command, here you have to give the input, that is subset 1, then you have to give the subset 2. So we are actually merging these two subsets, merge one this subset 1 and subset 2. But when we are merging these subsets, we can have the list of subset. We need to define the leftmost and rightmost element of the new set. Okay, so we say left on, that is the leftmost element equals to, and which element we want to like here on leftmost. Let's go to the subset this. You can rearrange this anyway, but in that case we'll consider that leftmost as we'll go with this page total likes. Okay, so just copy this page total likes, and that is our leftmost one, that is we call left on. So leftmost is leftmost one. Then go and add the comma and say now right on. Okay, underscore right on equals to, and what is our subset to last feature? Share. Okay, so we say share, share, share is there. Okay, when we say share, and now when we run this, what we get? Okay, we got nothing here because we actually not added this new data set. Label name of this, calling this page total likes category paid comment like share. This is what we actually got here. Okay, this is the merge thing. So actually must have to give us, we'll run it once again. Page total likes, we can go with instead that only what leftmost as a category. Check what happens. Category is leftmost, and we got this page total likes and everything left on. Okay, category. So we got this page total likes, category, and likewise. So here the things are merged. Now once the data set is merged, we need to do the next operation, that is sorting the data. So let's call this sorting data as what can I say, in command new data set dot sort underscore values. Now when you sort underscore these values need to be sorted by. So we have to choose one of the things. So let's check the things what we call as a like. Okay, so we go with the like. We are saying we have to sort this by like, and order need to be ascending equals to, obviously we want the highest like above, so we add here false. We want ascending, we want the highest like first, and let's run it. So we have done the sorting operation. Okay, that is what our fifth operation they ask us to do. So let's see, this is what called as a sorting. sorting operation. Yeah, here we have done the subset operation, merging operation, sorting operation. Once the sorting is done, the next operation is asked for is the transpose of the data. Okay, and let's give this transpose of the data. Let's call this TRNDS. TRNDS for transpose data set is equals to, and here you have to say the data set. We are using the new data set dot transpose. It's that easy. Okay, so what we are doing is we are transposing the data set, transpose operation. Okay. Here we have done the transpose operation. We simply say run. It's not showing anything. Okay, we just have to give the name of this TRNDS. When this name is given, data set get called, and here you get the data set which is rearranged now in a row. The things which used to be in a column here now in a row. Okay, so this is what we call the transpose of the data set. The last part of the exercise or this practical is that we have to shape and reshape the data set. So just go with the shape and reshape, shape and reshape. Obviously we are not going in depth of all in the depth of the shaping and reshaping the data set, but just the superficial introductory level. If you really want to get, just remain connected with my YouTube channel. I'm going to upload the complete Python tutorial with as many exercises possible on weekly or daily basis as I get the time from my busy schedule. Okay, and then we will need to use. So let's check with this thing. So we are having the original data frame that created, that is data. We are saying we are trying to find out the unique what you can say the labels or unique heads in this data set. Okay, we are trying to find for shaping. So when you say unique, we get an array variant, this photo, status, link and video. These are the unique column head there. Okay, and the data type is object. Now we can melt means what? Hide. In designing the subsets, we actually selected only few features or dimension of the data set. Here we are not, rest are not just considered, and the entirely new data set is created. But when we say reshape, we are actually doing some operation on the data set. So let's do this operation, melt operation that you have to do. If you go and say df, then you have to have the identity var was that's equals to, and what is our identity variable here is type. Okay, and T capital, that is the name of that particular column. Okay, and then we have to go with the values. Okay, check with this value was that is equals to, obviously again the column, another column we call this as comment. Okay, if there is any error, it will automatically show us. If no error, we will get no error. So this is the melt operation, okay, which actually reshape the entire data set. Is given the variable comment and the values for those comment, and likewise, and you can even sort these. Okay, you can even sort this, just say equals to some variable, and likewise based on the things. So this is the first experiment in group B of data science and big data analytics, third year information technologies, Savitribai Phule University, Pune. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and if you like the way of my teaching or this thing, uh, I will really like if you subscribe my channel and send the links to your friends to subscribe this thing. Thank you very much for listening me so carefully. Thank you.